581. We're going to recirculate. We're going to try intake 3 degrees, 16.2 on 7. So we got to go 54. We got to run the rotation. I told Jackie I'm going to pull a moon pie up. In order to do that, I got to throw a cloud maneuver over here. We got to 54 degrees over my bed gate. Get this socket right here. Take Margie, bring him down, and then the algae's right over by sunshine. But she's going sun down now. So what we'll do is I'll just do a fast retake on 7. 54 here, 154 here, capture here. He's at 254, we'll put some move by here. We got 354 is there. 64, 210 on 10. Here you go. See, that's where it starts out. So one aircraft, 831, 22. You got it, yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like him, let him. Alright, take him in, got it. Yeah, where's that? Yeah, you just got my hand. See, right? Open up. I hold up, guys. I can take you piece. Have up the piece part. If I see that, we'll put moon pie right there. See where he's at? Right there. See him right there? Boom. Moon pie's gonna be right there. Satisfied. 63-2 on him. We will. Now bring him down now. Ah, yeah. 31-2 coming to glide, but here I go. What? Take it easy. Sunshine wants to play. Here, buddy. Here. Yeah. Hang on, I'm gonna wait until he goes down. It says, here's the ticket. Yeah, I can take a video there, and it says 7:42 a.m. Well, the sun rose at 7:04, and it's setting at 6:04. Right? Well, the moon that is rising at 7:42, and it's setting at 6:42. How about it? How about it? 3:31, 18, 17, 21, 2. It sure ain't got enough room. Hey, man.